You're not ruining your life in one big moment. You're destroying it slowly, silently, day by day. And the scariest part is, you don't even notice it happening. It doesn't feel dangerous, it feels normal. Waking up late, checking your phone first thing in the morning, scrolling for just a few minutes, and suddenly, an hour is gone. Then you rush your day, you delay important work. You tell yourself, I'll do it later. But later never comes, and just like that, much another day is wasted. Not completely, but enough. Enough to keep you stuck. Enough to keep you average. Enough to slowly destroy your future. You think this is harmless? You think it's just one day. But it's never just one day. It's a pattern, a loop. And that loop is shaping your life. Every action you take is either building your future or destroying it. There is no neutral. You're either moving forward or you're falling behind. And right now, you're falling behind. Not because you're not capable, but because you're distracted. You've been trained to chase comfort, to avoid effort, to escape reality. Your phone is your biggest enemy, not because it's bad, but because you don't control it. It controls you. Every notification, every scroll is stealing your attention. And attention is your most valuable asset. Because where your attention goes, your life follows. Right now, your attention is everywhere, which means your life is going nowhere. You want to be successful. You want to improve. You want to change your life. But your daily actions don't match your goals. And that's the problem. As James Clear said, you do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. And your system right now is broken. You wake up without purpose. You live without focus. You end your day without progress. And then you wonder, why am I still stuck? Because your habits are designed to keep you here. Comfortable, distracted, average. Let me tell you something you don't want to hear. You are addicted. Not to drugs, not to alcohol, but to dopamine. Fast, easy, instant pleasure. Scrolling, entertainment, distractions. Your brain is constantly looking for the next hit. And every time you give it what it wants, you make it harder to do hard things. That's why you can't focus. That's why you avoid work. That's why you quit easily. Because your brain has been trained to choose easy over important, again and again. And over time, this becomes your identity. You start believing, I'm lazy. I can't stay consistent. I'm just not disciplined. But that's not who you are. That's who you've trained yourself to be. And if you trained it, you can change it. But here's the truth. Changing your life is not about motivation. It's about pain. Choosing pain today so you don't suffer tomorrow. As David Goggins said, the only way to grow is to suffer. Growth is uncomfortable. Discipline is painful. Focus is hard. And that's exactly why most people avoid it. They choose comfort today and regret later. You have two choices. Easy life now. Hard life later. Or hard life now. Easy life later. Right now, you're choosing the first one. And it's costing you everything. Your time, your potential, your future. But you can stop this right now. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need motivation. You need one decision. A decision to take control. Start with this. Tomorrow morning, don't touch your phone. Not for 30 minutes, not for 1 hour. Just sit. Think. Plan your day. Face reality. It will feel uncomfortable. You'll feel bored, restless, but that's the point. You're breaking the addiction. Then do one hard thing. Just one. Something you've been avoiding. Finish it. No excuses, no delays. And when your brain says, do it later, you say, no, I do it now. That moment is where your life changes. Because every time you act against comfort, you build discipline. And discipline is power. Power to control your actions. Power to control your mind. Power to control your life. While everyone else is distracted, you'll be focused. While everyone else is wasting time, you'll be building your future. And slowly, everything will change. Your confidence, your habits, your results. But it starts with awareness. Realizing that right now, you are slowly destroying your life. Not in a dramatic way, but in small decisions, repeated daily. And if you don't change those decisions, nothing will change. You'll stay in the same place. Next month, next year, next 5 years. Same habits, same life, same regret. And one day, it will hit you. You'll realize how much time you wasted, how many chances you ignored, how much potential you lost, and that feeling, that regret, is heavier than any hard work you avoided. So don't wait for that moment. Don't wait until it's too late. Start now. Fix one habit, take one action, make one promise, and keep it. Because at the end of the day, your life is not decided by your intentions. It's decided by your actions. And your actions are decided by what you do daily. So ask yourself, are your daily actions building your future or destroying it? Because right now, you already know the answer. The only question is, what are you going to do about it?